people have slowly been going back to what they normally do. Whether it's going to work, whether it's opening their businesses, whether it is going to trade, people have been slowly going back. And I think starting today, from Monday, we will also see a lot of people going back to their normal activities today. So we think that the impact of the elections is going to be very minimal. Obviously, it was a good time for people to take a break. And again, this is August. And in August, people do take holidays. So obviously, a lot of people have taken the opportunity and gone up country with their children because it's school holidays, and we'll expect them to stay up country until such time as their holidays are over.
If there are any grievances, we should have this one sorted out through the court processes. The Supreme Court is ready to handle this, and the Chief Justice has already confirmed this. So business should go back as usual. Kenyans should seek their rights and go and be allowed to go to their employment. The government has already promised security for protecting lives as well as property as people go about their normal businesses. So the plea from the business community, and indeed even from the media associations, that Kenya should move on, and this is good for the country. Going forward, we should now address the issues that were in the election manifesto, such as handling the economy, creating employment, the SMEs, the informal sector, handling the youth issues, keeping the promises such as a free secondary education so that Kenyans can benefit from an improved socio-economic welfare.